This is Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. What is your park number again?
Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. My park is US 2740, the Lake Norman State Park.
Okay, yeah, I got you spotted then.
Thank you much.
Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I'm at the beautiful Lake Norman State Park. Fall has fell, winter is coming. The trees have some beautiful colors and the leaves are dropping. Lots of people out in the park today getting this last bit of good weather. And there's even a few people doing a little bit of camping. Today I'm going to be using equipment that's installed in or on the truck. First of all, the venerable ham stick. It lives on my truck. I don't think I've taken it down since I put it up there in the first place. The 300 amp hour battery in the back is charged up to 14 volts. There's the battery, the inverter, the MPPT controller, and the charger.
Is this frequency in use? Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. CQ POTA, CQ Parks in there. Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey CQ.
Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel.
Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. You are 5959 into US 2740. Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. You're 5959 to US 2740. 2740.
5x3, 5x3. It's a little light, but I can understand you. So we'll say that's a good contact.
I'll take the 5-3 and you have a good one. And that's Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel, correct?
Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. That's QSI. QSI.
Thank you very much, man. If you can spot me, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
Will do.
QRZ Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey CQ POTA. November 9 Foxtrot Alpha Lima. You're 5353 into US 2740. We'll call it a 5-5 good park to park contact, and I'm in US 2740. QSL. I've got it. Thank you very much. 73 QRZ. This is Kilo Zero Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. Parks on the air.
Kilo 9 India Charlie Papa. India Charlie Papa.
Kilo 9 India Charlie Papa. You're 5959 to US 2740.
Roger, 59. Back to you from Indiana.
Thanks for the 5-9, and you have a good one. 73.
73.
Some days I have my YouTube.
This is Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. What is your park number again?
Alpha Charlie 3 Kilo Hotel. My park is US 2740, the Lake Norman State Park.
Okay, yeah, I got you spotted then.
Thank you much. So sometimes I was about to talk into the mic. Sometimes I have my YouTube game together, and today I didn't. I got a bunch of contacts. Let's see if I can. So looks like I got 23. I don't have a lot to show on film for the video, but with this amp, 2 of these I got barefoot with just 5 watts off the battery on the ICOM 705. But the rest of these were with the amp, and good signal reports. Ohio, Missouri, Georgia, and Georgia's close, so to get a good signal report from Georgia, Florida, I see one in there from New Hampshire. Yep, so the HobbyPCB amp on the seat of my truck is doing a good job. CQ, CQ, CQ. Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey CQ.
Kilo 4 Lima Oscar X-ray.
Kilo 4 Lima Oscar X-ray. You're 5-5 into US 2740.
Thank you for the 5-5. You're coming in a 5-9 into North Central Florida.
Thanks for 5-9. I really appreciate it. But using a kit amp, and I'm getting good signal reports. So thank you very much for the signal report. And you have a good day.
Yes, sir. You too. Have a good one out there at Lake Norman.
73 QRZ Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. CQ POTA, CQ Parks in the Air, Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ Parks in the Air, Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey. So it looks like I'm using 1.7 watts to get, I can't see that. CQ POTA, CQ Parks in the Air, Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey.
Alpha Charlie 8, Charlie Echo.
Alpha Charlie 8, Charlie Echo, you're 5-5 into US 2740.
Thank you. You're 5-7 in Michigan. 73.
Thanks for 5-7 Michigan, 73 QRZ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks in the Air, Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey CQ. CQ POTA, CQ Parks in the Air, Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey CQ. Kilo Quebec 4 Juliet, say again. Kilo Quebec 4 Juliet, Juliet Mike, you're 5-3 into US 2740. Say again my signal report, say again. 5-7, I'll take it. I'm using a home-built amp kit from HobbyPCB today, and thank you very much for the 5-7. 73 QRZ Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey, Parks on the Air.
74
I think I heard W4EYZ Echo Yankee Zulu. You're 5-3 as well into US 2740. Thank you for the contact. Some fading, but good signal. I can hear you here. So 73. QRZ, this is Kilo 0 Whiskey Hotel Whiskey, Parks in the Air. For me, that was a pretty productive activation. The amp is working where it lives. I got 24. Usually I go out and do CW and I get 13 and I bail. So I'm happy with this amp kit, and I'll give you guys updates as we go along. Thanks for stopping by.